Yeah, this is me.
Everything's in your house? Okay. There's lots of stuff.
There's a lot of stuff, man.
What's up, guys? It's Tony with 4Money. I want you to take a look at this aerial picture right here. Everything within this red perimeter I found on the curb on trash nights for 2 straight months leading up to this massive community-wide garage sale. Everything outside of this perimeter was either mine personally or stuff I bought wholesale just for this garage sale. In total, we had over $4,100 in sales, and over $2,300 of that was just from the trash, and that's because not everything sold. So the Homeowners Association organizes 2 big garage sales per year, and all you have to do is put stuff out in your driveway and the people will come. But I go a little bit further and I put some Facebook advertisements and I also put some signs out on the street. This garage sale, I was up for over 40 hours from setup to breakdown. I didn't sleep. I pulled an all-nighter. If you want to see how we set up this garage sale, go check out this video right here. I had a ton of fun, and I want to give a huge shout out to all the people who helped make this possible. And please don't feel like I'm judging the people who threw this stuff away in the first place or judging the people who actually bought this stuff. I just happened to find a bunch of cool items and sold it at a community-wide garage sale in pretty much the same neighborhood where I found it. If you guys have any questions about what the heck is going on here, leave a comment down below. I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Let's get right into this wild garage sale. How about 24?
How about
20? How about 24? Come on, these are $35 a piece per chair.
I just drove 100 miles to come over here. Give you 24
After
then.
he put all this crap out, he needs to...
I've got to move stuff.
No, thank you.
Make a pile.
Sure, here's my pile.
All right, start a pile right here. Yes, ma'am.
I just want to get this.
This one? Okay,
Yeah.
cool. I'm gonna help you load it up, or you got it?
I'm gonna keep working. Can
Okay.
I just leave it here
Yeah,
for a
that's
second?
fine.
Okay.
You shoot flies with it. You put salt in there. $16.
The 2
swivel wicker chairs with the cushions.
Yes, what do you got? 40? Okay.
Thank you.
Take care.
You too.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, I'll set it to this way.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Yeah, so it's an 18-volt tool set. You can actually use the newer 20-volt batteries. You just have to buy the adapter for it. Uh-huh.
Last time you did this, we were here.
Yeah, this is the 3rd time you come. I remember.
I still didn't use that ab lounge though.
You gotta, what are you doing? Holding papers down?
Yeah.
You gotta use it. You brought the ab lounger, you brought the Bluetooth speakers, right?
Yeah. Wow, you remember that.
I remember.
All those people.
Yep, I remember people. What they bought, what they were wearing. Did he tell you a price? No. Okay, how about $2?
$1?
$2.50? What? 6, 7, 8, $9.
5?
No way, these are 6, 7, 8, 9. I guess these are $1. You need help with that bench, or?
I think I can.
You got it? All right. On this one, right now it's gonna be that same price. If it later on in the day, if it doesn't sell, I'll drop it to like $100. There's so many people that I know that are coming for it.
I'm gonna separate.
It's all yours.
Thank you so much. Ponle aquí so.
It's weird to see all this happening. Like, for the past 2 months, I've literally drove around and picked this stuff up. Like, and to see the amount of interest that these items have, it's bizarre, because at one point somebody said, you know what, I don't want it anymore, put it on the curb, it's gone. And here we are putting it on the curb again, and people are here to buy it. So if I were to pick one, it would be this one, because it has the little handle, which is a self-propelled. Here you go. Thank you. Yeah, y'all take care. All right, it's now 8:30. We probably had 200-300 people show up. It looks like there's still a ton of stuff left, but they've actually taken a lot of stuff. I would suspect maybe 300-400 in sales so far. I buy a lot of stuff I find. Yeah, storage unit, or some of the stuff I put, like when we have these garage sales twice a year, I'll just put it in my backyard. Please do. Yeah, check out my channel. Let me know what you think, and you can reach out to me on there, either Facebook or Instagram, and we can be in touch. Yeah, I'm here getting to know people, bro. And you're over here putting like skates on it, Bluetooth speakers on it. So you're like, oh, I want that shirt, that's funny. $150. How about $130? That's super cheap, man. What do you say?
$100, man.
Ah, okay. I'll wait a little longer.
Okay, well, how about, is this your furniture?
Yeah.
No minimum on there. It says 30. Take 20. 150.
We got a deal, man. Let me know when you're ready to load it up.
Okay.
I think
Take 20?
it's the same guy who bought the tools bought this one.
He did?
He already paid me for that one, though.
Yeah.
He's there in the... Yeah, you guys have the same taste, literally. Oh, sorry.
He hit you. Tell him to give you that first.
What is it, 3? Make it 5. What's up, man? It's like I see you 2-3 times a year, man. We're like best friends now. Okay, yeah, $100, and then whatever you got here. Yeah, no, that's fine. I'll move it to the side. All right, let's go ring you up. Y'all doing all right? What'd you find?
I don't even know.
Yeah, I don't know if you remember, she got this wood.
Yeah, the little $4 thing that you wanted her to pay nothing for. Yeah. And then I sold you the boat cover.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, man. I remember.
Good morning, man.
Really?
I still have it. I don't even open it.
Oh, come on. You said you needed one for your wife or something.
Yes.
I don't know how you do remember that.
When I engage with a customer long enough, I remember what we went back and forth with. And then I remember what they bought. Hoses, I only got 3 left, so they're all gonna sell. What you want? So you bought that one already?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
You're getting the bikes?
The bikes all together.
All together?
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of bikes.
How much you sell them all together for?
400.
400?
Yeah, it's 22 bikes.
22 bucks?
So it's less than $20 per bike. Yeah, this is me in my house.
Oh, everything in your house?
Outside, some of it in storage.
Okay. There's lots of stuff.
There's a lot of stuff, man.
You guys still doing all right? You like that chair?
How can you tell?
So I've been watching you from the garage. Like, those people are really thinking hard about that chair. Comes with everything you're sitting on. YouTube, I'm for money. F-O-R-E? Yeah, that's fine. I'll move it over there to the side. I've got some other stuff I'm holding. What you got? These two?
Yeah.
All right, we got 12 bucks right here.
Can I do the cash app?
Yeah, that's true. Let me get my QR code. 10 bucks, man. Thank you, sir. Take care. That's a nice, neat little lawnmower, man. We were using it earlier today and just like chopping up the grass. Those are really cool.
You gotta support his YouTube channel.
He already subscribed. A lot of stuff this time, huh? I saw her come out in the evening. I was like, I wonder what she's thinking. We were setting up real early. Sorry, 50 with the table and chairs.
What do you have the bottom one?
Oh, they're all 8 bucks. Yeah. I feel like you bought something from me before. Anything golf related?
No, definitely not.
Sure, one more time. It works?
Hey, look, right there.
Oh, wow.
Yes, ma'am.
How much for this?
$2 for the set.
Okay.
Thank you. Yes, sir. $8.
8 bucks for
Yeah.
that?
You can hang it on your shower.
Yeah. Or anywhere else.
Or anywhere, yeah. Somewhere on a window or something. What do you say? You like it? Anybody?
About it. I'm calling the
Why, you got a bargain for me?
No, I'm just asking if you like it.
Okay.
Don't think too.
Bought some stuff over there.
You don't have no more outdoor furniture? Those over there have sold already?
Those are already sold. Yep, sold and paid for. The only thing outdoor we got is this table right here and that one right there.
Find something you like? Yeah. A chair. Is it a chair for you or for you?
For her.
For her? Okay. One from you, one from you. That means you guys can share the chair.
What's up, man?
Hey, how are you doing?
You didn't come here to sell my tools, right?
No, you didn't tell me.
Got any golf stuff?
Titleist bag earlier.
Sold it for $7.
Don't sell it.
What time is it? No, that's not the right time. It's barely 11.
Yeah, it's only 11.
I thought it was like 3 o'clock. Oh my God.
I slept though, so that's a little different.
Maybe my time is off. 11? We've only been here 4 hours?
Yeah.
What? I am just thrown off.
Hey, nice shirt.
Look like somebody I know. $4, $4.50.
How about $5 and you get the box for free? All right, cool deal.
What is it?
It's For Money is the name of the channel. I pretty much anything making money, buying and selling is mostly what I do. I do a lot of pressure washing jobs. I teach kids how to make money.
Thank you.
Okay, take care. Muchas gracias. Que les vaya bien. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. 15 por todo, sí, llévatelo.
Déjame echar entonces.
Ok. Era 2 cada uno. Dame 20 y te doy un shampoo. Oh, jeez. So we got the lawnmower, half weed eater, and the ice cream truck. That is 25 buckaroos. The scooters, I'm selling the whole unit together for 90 bucks. El leaf blower para la yarda, para la zacate, para, no sé cómo dice el blower, como para tirar aire, la zacate.
God, that took forever to say. Okay, 40 is fine.
Thank you.
Whatever it is, we're gonna make you a deal. If it works, it's a great deal. If it doesn't, I mean, you lose $1. Like, I got a lot of customers who buy from me, and they buy like in wholesale because they fix these. So the price I have these at is about 18 bucks per bike when they buy them all. They fix them up with $10 in parts and sell them for 60, 70. So to somebody who fixes bikes, it's really worth it. But if you don't have any experience in fixing bikes and I sell you one and you end up spending 60, 80 bucks on it, you could have just bought a new one. What's up, dude?
What's going on, Mr. Tony? Making some money?
It looks like nothing sold, but damn, we sold a lot of stuff today. All right, it's now 2:15. We sold quite a bit of stuff. You can take a pan around. We've sold a lot of stuff today. It still looks like there's a lot, but from what we started off with this morning, it's definitely a lot less. What I did right now is the same thing I did last garage sale. I did a $5 last minute sale. Anything past the curb is $5. This frame that was $1, now it's $5. Went from 10 to 5. Shazam! A welded frame for a twin bed. This thing probably weighs like 60 pounds. Well, very good deal for $5. Man, look at that. You can even measure the size of the fish you catch. That is a great deal. You came by my house the other day to pick up something, right?
From this house?
Yeah.
No.
I swear.
No.
What did you buy recently in the marketplace? I'm sure I sold it to you. I know I loaded this van with something.
I think they make more than one.
No, I recognize you, and now I recognize the van. Did you buy a bike from me? Come on, what was it? That's gonna bother me. That is going to bother me. Yeah. How you doing? Excellent. Everything right here is $1.
Everything?
Everything right there on the street is $1.
Wow. Okay.
All right, so it's now 5 o'clock. We got a lot of stuff left, but we had a really good turnout. It's a very interesting experience, like legitimately selling the trash bag in the same neighborhood where I picked up the stuff. I think it's cool. It's also very eye-opening to see that much stuff being picked up by one person over 2 months. So what I'm gonna do with the rest of this stuff is, if I think it has value and it's a little bit weather resistant, I'm gonna take it to the backyard and just kind of put it on the fence. And I have a customer that buys all that stuff. The rest of the stuff, like these chairs and some of the other furniture, I'm just gonna put it on the curb and let people take it. At least hopefully somebody can come pick it up. I'll put a post about free stuff and let people come and take it. I don't really want this stuff to go back to the landfill where it was gonna go in the first place. All right, it is now 10:30 at night. The garage sale is officially over. We've put everything away. This is all that's left from the entire garage sale. We've had a few people come by. My wife posted a free ad on Facebook of just a bunch of free stuff. From what it looked like this morning to just having this now, I mean, it's I think it's pretty crazy.
All right, guys, well, that's basically it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions. Thanks for watching this video. I had a ton of fun. I hope you guys did too. See you next time. Peace.